when questions about the DeKalb County property tax. In the payment of the DeKalb County property tax, time is of the essence. You should pay your property tax on time to avoid financial consequences, particularly the payment of interest, penalty, and additional charges in addition to the principal amount. You must know the when aspects of property taxes, when you can expect your tax bill, when your taxes are due, and when you are eligible for exemptions, among others. Here are a few of the answers to these all-important questions. When will you receive your tax bill? The DeKalb County property tax bills are usually mailed during July of each year. The payment of the property tax will be, generally, the responsibility of the owner on record as of January 1st for the applicable year. In case the property was transferred from its old to its new owner after the first of the year, a tax bill will be sent to its new owner of record when tax bills are sent. The new owner should communicate with his closing attorney, or escrow agent, or mortgage company to determine the person responsible for the tax payment, or what pro rata share. Regardless of who the person responsible for the tax payment is, the DeKalb County property tax will continue to accrue if not paid. When are your tax payments due? The due date will depend on the property's location. For the DeKalb County taxes, the installment due dates are on September 30th and November 15th for the applicable year. In case a one-time payment is desired, the due date is on September 30th. For the City of Atlanta, property owners are required to pay their property taxes by November 15th of the applicable year. When will you pay additional charges? You should be prompt about paying your DeKalb County property tax because of the additional burden of paying the accrued interest, penalties and charges upon late payment. If you miss the deadlines set by the county or city, you are required to pay these additional charges plus the principal. Otherwise, your property may be subjected to further legal actions. Keep these things in mind when paying your taxes via mail. First, ensure that the envelope containing your check for payment of the DeKalb County property tax is postmarked by September 30th or November 15th. When the post office fails to postmark the envelope by these dates, your payment will be considered late even when you mailed it on time. Second, ensure that the envelope is hand-cancelled by the post office when you are mailing your payment near or on the deadline. Certified mail is recommended. The Tax Commissioner's website will not accept tax payments after midnight on the deadline before late charges have been added. When are you eligible for exemptions? While homestead exemptions reduce the annual DeKalb County property tax, these are not available for all individuals. You are eligible for a homestead exemption when you, first, own and reside in a real property located in DeKalb County. Second, consider the real property as your legal residence for all intents and purposes, such as in filing federal and state taxes, registering to vote, and registering assets. And third, consider the private residence as your primary residence. Do you have more questions about the DeKalb County property tax? Ask Fair Assessments or the Tax Commissioner now.